We will trade on Quotex using sets of moving averages, specifically the TMA on its yellow line and the WMA on its blue-green line. Whenever both moving average lines cross, there's a high probability that the trend will successfully rise in the next minute. Additionally, we will utilize the Awesome Oscillator to complement our strategy. When it shifts its trend and color from reaching its lowest peak, then we will trade going up on this. As you can see here, the trend will gradually rise until it breaks through its baseline. The two crossing lines form an excellent combination for this trading method. Ensure you trade at its optimal spot, like this one, where both lines are in favorable condition. It is similar to the Awesome Oscillator, which shows strong momentum peaks, shifting the red color to green. By using this strategy correctly, you can achieve a higher success rate in your trades. Got a successful trade on that. There's another trading opportunity here. Both lines have crossed, while our oscillator shifts from red to green at the bottom level. This is the best spot to trade higher. As you can see here, we have a high chance of winning in this spot. It is clearly shown that the market here presents a good opportunity for us to trade. We are using the 5-second trading candle, as it provides the best analyzed data for quick trading. The trend is moving upward, and we are hopeful for a win in this trade. We have now received our winning trade. Follow us to discover the latest strategies for Quotex trading, including OTC and other assets. Check the description below for detailed parameter settings of this strategy. Always trade responsibly and manage your risk effectively. Avoid overtrading. Aiming for just 5% profit per day can be a significant advantage for small traders. Another trading opportunity is forming here. The two lines are about to cross, and according to the Awesome Oscillator, a reversal signal has already been generated. However, the trend seems to be transitioning smoothly toward a reversal and moving higher. Let's trade upward on this. Looking at another scenario, the two lines have already crossed. As of now, there is no reversal signal from the oscillator, but we can assume it will form a reversal pattern soon. In this case, let's trade downward. A shifting pattern is emerging here, with the trend moving down. This seems like a perfect strategy.